Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Filecoin Fill, and I will tell you my next medium duration targets, my next immediate short term targets and my next long duration target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Filecoin and it is currently trading at $85 and price increases 14.6% in just 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 5 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.2 billion. Circulating supply of this token is 59 million. Total supply of this token is 1.9 million. 24-hour low price of this token is $73.86. 24-hour high price of this token is $85.12. And current rank of this token is 20. And let me please show you some other statistics. In 30 days, this token gives 88% profit to its holders. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.28%. And all-time high of this token was $208, which was on October 15, 2020, about 5 months ago. All-time low of this token was on December 29, 2020, about 3 months ago, and the price was $20.606. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, OK Exchange, Coinbase, Huobi Global, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 to 30 seconds to create. And if you want to collect some small cap coins, then please click on this link and it will lead you to the Hotbit exchange. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then you can open in Bybit and click on this link and create within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the chart. This is the Filecoin chart. Filecoin Tether US 1 hour Binance chart. Let me please show you. It is currently trading at $86.98 and it was rejected from that zone. This is the horizontal resistance. It is currently at $86. It is facing horizontal resistance at $86 price level, and this is the all-time high of this token on this chart is $96.8, and it is a horizontal resistance too. These green lines are support lines for this token. Let me please tell you my first target. It is currently breaking this horizontal resistance and it is very much bullish right now. And let me please tell you my first target. It is creating a bull flag and now it is breaking this bull flag right now. And let me please do this. And please thumbs up the like button and please subscribe my channel. And please join my Telegram channel because I regularly update on Telegram channel. This will be our first target, $92. Our second target is all-time high and horizontal resistance, which is at $96. And let me please tell you medium duration target for this token right now. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the all-time high, $96.88, and this is the all-time low, $21.5 on this chart. Please let me arrange this. I am going to convert it on 4 hour. Sorry for that, it is not all-time high. All-time high of this token is $428. This is the all-time high, and after that, we see a massive price drop in this coin's price, and currently it is at $85. Let me please tell you my first medium duration target right now. Please friends, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. Sorry for that. I have to arrange this chart. Please let me arrange this chart and let me please tell you my first target. Medium duration targets mean the target which is achievable within 6 months. You can say it is a medium duration target. I am much sure that this token can hit its all-time high again within 6 months in this bull run, and it will give you 400% gain if you buy this token at your own risk at current price. Before buying this, please read this project. Please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose, and I am sharing my technical knowledge to all of you, with all of you. Sorry. And let me please tell you my last target. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is my last target and it will give you 1082% gain, and it will hit $1,000, I think so, within 2000 till end 2021, or maybe in 2022, maybe within I think so 6 to 15 months. This is final target. This target Filecoin can hit within 1.3 years, I think so, within 1 year or maybe 1.3 years, within 15 months. Sorry, this is my target, $1,000, and it will give you a gain of 1000%. Before buying this token and before entering in this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss. This is just my trading knowledge and information that I am sharing with you, and please do your own research. And please thumbs up the like button, and if you want to join this token on Binance, then please go to video's description and where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting me. Take care.